What's going on, guys? Joseph White here, and you're watching an episode of the J-Dub Twins. Today you were looking at my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody in F8 green. .485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. Got the wide body package on it, so it comes with the 305 width tires. That is 11 inches of rubber at all four corners. I've got the carbon black aluminum wheels. I like the Devil's Rim wheels, but I have to say, these carbon black wheels have grown on me. I love how the wheels kind of start coming in toward the center. I've got the Pirelli P0 summer tires on. Brembo brakes. 392 Scat Pack B. These wide fender flares add 3.5 inches to the width of the car as far as the fenders go. Not actual, like, you know, side view mirrors width, but at the fenders. RT badge, road and track, classic Challenger script, high output LED headlights with the daytime running lights, air intake with the Dodge badge logo inside. They got rid of the fog lights, but they did add this massive splitter, and they allowed these lower air induction ports to cool the brakes. I will take that yellow strip off, by the way, but you know, I gotta stunt. I've got to flex a little bit, all right? I gotta show people who just got the new car. As we head to the other side, it's F8 green, guys. It's beautiful. It's overcast today, but this F8 green looks amazing when the sun's shining on it. So bright. It's got a gold metallic flake in it. Looks great. I got on the rear the SRT performance spoiler. I think it looks great. Let's crack open the hood real fast. Oh. Look who's calling. Probably calling because he's trying to tell me that his car's better. We'll ignore him for now so I can finish this video. Yes, pop the hood real fast. And before I pop the hood, let's look at the hood real fast. Ram air intake right here. Dual heat extractors. All right. 392 cubic inch, 6.4 liter Hemi V8. Powered by SRT. It looks nice. Gotta find a way to keep this thing clean though, you know. Keep it shiny. Might take it to a car show or two. You can see underneath, heat extractors. Here's where the air is gonna be flowing in. These heat extractors work too. When I was washing the car, come over here, trying to rub the car down with the ceramic wax, you can feel the heat coming off of it. I can feel it right now. Let's take a look on the inside real fast. Well, you know what? Let me pop the trunk real fast. Let's take a look at the Harman Kardon subwoofers. I got the Harman Kardon sound package. 18 speakers. Subwoofers. Huge trunk. Way bigger than what the Mustang offers. Way bigger than what the Camaro offers. take a look on the inside. Got the leather and Alcantara suede seats, ventilated, heated, Scat Pack B. Custom ordered this vehicle. I got the carbon and suede interior. So carbon fiber center console, carbon fiber dash, and suede headliner. I know you guys are saying like, dude, really, you don't need all that. Well, let's put it this way, guys. If you're going to custom order a vehicle, just make sure it has everything that you want on it. Okay? And that's what I did. I got what I wanted. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. That's what it's all about. Let's talk about the steering wheel for a second. Flat bottom steering wheel for 2020. To me, that's huge. Long overdue. Of course, we know that the Hellcat has the flat bottom steering wheel. And that's great and all. This is a leather wrapped, fully leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel. The Hellcat, I think, is like the Alcantara suede. And then this, like, the plastic portion extends into the bottom portion of the steering wheel. So to me, it's like you're not even getting a full, you know, it's not even fully suede or whatever, you know? Here's a fully wrapped leather steering wheel. And then we have here the Uconnect, which is great. Pretty responsive. I think though in the next version they'll probably have a more updated computer, maybe a bigger screen too. But this is plenty. This is plenty. This is fine. We have like the stitched dash, which I think is great. Leather feel, leather look dash. We've got the 392 badge there in the corner. Got the center console here. Lots of room in it. The back seat's usable. I haven't tried sitting in it yet, but maybe I'll make a video about it. Okay. So as we said before, 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. I'm gonna take this on the road a little bit. I'm still breaking it in, right? So, haven't even hit 200 miles yet. I would like to go through that break-in period first. Before I start testing out, you know, real 0 to 60 times, real 0 to 100 times. Actually, I just realized I can get on the freeway easier if I go back through here and go down the other exit. So that's what we're gonna do real fast. So you guys can hear the exhaust, I'm sure. Sounds great. I have no intention of getting the exhaust swapped out, a louder exhaust. It's loud, plenty. And it doesn't get in the way of the Harman Kardon sound system either. And I'll do a separate video about that. I've got the 8-speed automatic. Shifts exactly how I want to, when I want to. Ooh. This friggin' throttle response. Ridiculous. I've been trying to get used to it. The throttle response, so sensitive. It wants to go fast all the time. especially when the transmission's in track. I'm not gonna push this thing too hard at all until I get through the break-in period. But it is a lot of fun, I'm telling you. Highway driving, even city driving. As you can see, the hood bulge looks so good. Where that ram air intake is, right there, you see the heat extractor. It's a different look than from any other car. Every other car, their hoods are boring. I was worried about trying to get used to the dimensions of this vehicle. I'm still getting used to them, but I'm getting more comfortable as I drive it. Those heat extractors actually work. As this air is flowing in, if you look at the engine temperature, I've had the engine running now for a while. We are below, you know, the middle level, which usually every car that, you know, exists, that air temperature is usually sitting right there at the middle. This thing is actively bringing in cold air, actively pushing hot air out. These blind spots, though, I have to say, the blind spots are very blind. I got the driver's convenience group, so you know if someone's in my blind spot, it'll let me know. If we want to look here, it'll let you know, indicate that someone's in my blind spot. And there it goes. They work, thank God. These brakes stop me when I need to stop. Still getting used to this throttle, guys. Here we go. Back on the ramp. Banging through the shifts. It is fun, guys, I'm telling you. It feels great. I've got to be careful. I'm gonna get myself in trouble driving this thing, I'm telling you. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Looks like a guy on his moped or motorcycle on the oncoming traffic lane. So, you know, I'm still gonna follow the rules of the road, of course. You know, okay, I'm driving the Scat Pack, 485 horsepower, this Ford Taurus. Go on ahead. You're good, dude. But this vehicle has usable power, though. If I'm going 60 and I want to push it to 100, I've gone 50 to 80. Like, that's the fastest I've gone. And going from 50 to 80, I punch it, it shifts down to those lower gears, freaking throws my head back, I launch forward. It's usable power. In a Hellcat, you try to do the same thing, those back wheels are gonna start spinning, man. I'm telling you. I mean, I've seen enough reviews. Maybe one of these days I need to actually ride one myself. Let's look. See if we can't get into the pages here, performance pages. Look at the engine temperature, air intake temp, 64 degrees, trans temp, 174. It really does keep the engine cool. love, guys. This car has so much presence. I love looking at it. I can't stop looking at it. And when the sun's coming out, man, when the sun's out, I can't look at it enough. If anything, I can't look at it because it's so friggin' bright. Put some turtle wax on it. I'll show you a video on that. Makes the car super shiny. So that's pretty much it for now, guys. Just wanted to show you the car. This is a big deal, guys. This car's a big deal. And you know, show you the interior, exterior, take it for a ride. I'll make more videos. If you like the video, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see. Any questions you have, let me know. Let's just get a exterior look at the car again. F8 green, guys. No regrets. I was thinking about the indigo blue for a while. In my initial order, actually, it was indigo blue. I saw enough videos of the F8 green and kind of took a gamble on it too, because I wasn't quite sure exactly how it was going to look in person. But it looks great, guys. No regrets. Alright, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you guys again in another video.